పెట్టకూడదు అనుకున్నాను కానీ చెప్పేస్తే మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ అవుతాను.
Okay, good morning to everybody. Now let us discuss about vitamins. Vitamins are a group of organic compounds which are essential for normal growth and nutrition and are required in very small amounts for maintaining the optimum growth and good health. That means vitamins are generally regarded as the organic compounds required in the diet in small amounts to perform specific biological functions for normal maintenance of optimum growth and good health of the organisms. Vitamins word is derived from two words vital plus amine. Vital plus amine. Vitamins was introduced by Punk based upon solubility. Vitamins are mainly classified into two types: water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. That means vitamins absence causes some specific deficiency diseases. That means most of the vitamins cannot be synthesized in our body, therefore there can be supplied through diet, but plants can synthesize almost all of them. Therefore vitamins must and should be supplied per their diet. That means they maintains the normal growth and optimum growth and good health. Therefore these are supplied to diet, but large amount of vitamins causes some diseases. Therefore vitamins are used only in minute quantities. Classification of vitamins. That means on the basis of solubility in water, vitamins are classified into two types. First one is fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are oil soluble. Oil soluble. That means vitamins which are soluble in fat and oils but insoluble in water, that are called fat soluble vitamins. Examples for fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. They are stored in liver and adipose fat storing tissues. That means A, D, E, K vitamins are soluble in fats. They are stored in our body in liver and adipose. Adipose means fat storing tissues are known as adipose. Second one is water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins, examples for water soluble vitamins are B and C. B vitamin and C vitamin soluble in water. Therefore water soluble vitamins must be supplied regularly in the diet because they are readily excreted in urine and cannot be stored. Therefore B, C vitamins are water soluble vitamins. They must and should be supplied to diet because they are readily excreted in urine form. Now let us discuss about different types of vitamins. See the diagram. This is the some examples of vitamin sources. This is the flow chart of vitamins. A, B1, B vitamins, B complex vitamins are subdivided into B1, B2, B3, B5, B6 and B12. Different types of vitamins. Now let us discuss about classification of vitamins. Vitamin, first one is vitamin A. Vitamin A chemical name is retinol. Vitamin A chemical name is retinol. Retinoids or carotenoids, chemical name of vitamin. That means main sources of vitamin A, that is fish liver oil, carrots, milk, butter, egg yolk, green and yellow vegetables are the main sources of vitamin A. That means fish liver oil, milk, butter, egg yolk, green and yellow vegetables are the main sources of vitamin A. That means deficiency of vitamin A causes germthalemia. Germthalemia means hardening of the cornea of eyes, hardening of కార్నియా of eyes, that is called gerophthalmia, and night blindness. That means deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness and gerophthalmia. Gerophthalmia means hardening of cornea of eye. Second one is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 chemical name is thiamine. Main sources of vitamin B1 is yeast, milk, green vegetables, cereals, milk, egg white, liver, kidney are the main sources of vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Beriberi means loss of appetite and retard the growth. Retard the growth and retard the is known as beriberi. That means loss of appetite and retard growth is known as beriberi symptoms. That vitamin B1 deficiency causes beriberi disease. Second one is vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 chemical name is vitamin B2 chemical name is riboflavin. Main sources are milk, egg white, liver, kidney. That means egg yolk, liver, milk, green leafy vegetables are the main sources of vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, that means deficiency of vitamin B2 leads to cheilosis. Cheilosis means cracked lips and sore tongue, digestive disorders, and burning sensations of skin are the main deficiency of vitamin B2. Next, let us discuss about vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 chemical name is pyridoxine. Main sources of vitamin B6 are yeast, milk, egg yolk, and cereals and grams are the main sources of vitamin B6. That means deficiency of vitamin B6 leads to convulsions. Vitamin B6 deficiency leads to convulsions and disturbances. Second, last type vitamin B12 vitamin. Vitamin B12 vitamin chemical name is cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin means vitamin B12. Main sources of vitamin B12 are yeast, milk, egg yolk, fish, kidney, liver. All these are main sources of vitamin B12. That means meat, fish, egg, curd, kidney are the main sources of vitamin B12. Deficiency of vitamin B12 leads to pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia means RBS deficiency. That means red blood cells deficiency in hemoglobin. Red blood cells deficiency in hemoglobin, that is called pernicious anemia. That means vitamin B12 leads to deficiency disease like pernicious anemia. Next vitamin is vitamin C. Vitamin C chemical name is ascorbic acid. Vitamin C chemical name is ascorbic acid. Main sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits and green leafy vegetables, amla. Citrus fruits, amla, and green leafy vegetables are the main sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy. Scurvy means bleeding of gums. Bleeding of gums is known as scurvy. That means scurvy occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D chemical name is ergocalciferol and qualicalciferol. Ergocalciferol and qualicalciferol is the chemical name of vitamin D. Vitamin D, another name sunshine vitamin. Sunshine vitamin. That means main sources of vitamin D are exposure to sunlight, fish and egg yolk are the main sources of vitamin D. That means deficiency of vitamin D leads to rickets. Rickets means bone deformities in children. That means bow legs and osteomalacia. Osteomalacia means soft bones and joint pains in adults are the main causes of deficiency of vitamin D. Rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults are the deficiency leads to vitamin D. Where rickets means bone deformities in children. Osteomalacia means soft bones and joint pains in adults. Next vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E chemical name is tocopherol. Tocopherol main sources are vegetable oils like wheat germ oil and sunflower oil, milk, ghee, vegetables oils like wheat germ oil and sunflower oil, cotton seed oil are the main sources of vitamin E. Deficiency of vitamin E leads to increased fragility of RBCs and muscular weakness. That means increased fragility RBCs and muscular weakness are the deficiency due to deficiency of vitamin E. Last vitamin is vitamin K. Vitamin K chemical name is piloquinone. Piloquinone is the chemical name of vitamin K. That means main sources of vitamin K are green leafy vegetables, fish, meat, cereals are the main sources of vitamin K. Deficiency diseases causes due to vitamin K is increased blood clotting time. That means increased blood clotting time are the main deficiency of vitamin K. We see observe the different diagrams of vitamin sources. Okay, vitamin C main sources. See the diagram. Vitamin C main sources. This is vitamin C main sources. This is vitamin A. This is vitamin A main sources. Observe the diagram. Vitamin C main sources. This is vitamin A main sources. This is vitamin A main sources. Vitamin E main sources. Main sources of vitamin E. This one vitamin D main sources. This is vitamin K main sources. Vitamin A chemical name retinol. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Vitamin B2 riboflavin. Vitamin B3 niacin. Vitamin B5 pantothenic acid. Vitamin B6 pyridoxine. Vitamin B12 cyanocobalamin. Vitamin C scurvy, anti-scurvy ascorbic acid. Vitamin D calciferol. Vitamin E tocopherol. Vitamin K piloquinone are the chemical names of vitamins. Okay, thank you.